Hi everyone, it's tax season. If you received Social Security benefits in 2024, there's something important you need to know. Around this time, Social Security will send you the SSA 1099 form. This form is crucial because it helps you determine whether you need to file tax on your benefits. In this video, I'll share key points about the SSA 1099 form, what it is, why it matters, and what you should do when you receive it. This is a sample SSA 1099 form I found online to use as an example. When you receive this form from Social Security, it will look similar to this. This form is sent out every year in January to those who receive Social Security benefits. It shows the total amount of benefits received, which helps determine if you need to file taxes. If you receive SSI, those payments are not taxable. So Social Security does not issue an SSA 1099 for SSI recipients. How can you get this form? Social Security will mail it to your address, or you can access it online if you have an account on the Social Security Administration website at ssa.gov. If you have an account, you can log in and select Replace Your Tax Form, SSA 1099, or SSA 1042S for the past 6 years. You can download, print, or save the form as needed. These forms will be available online starting February 1st. For those who are not U.S. citizens or who live outside the United States, or if you repaid benefits, you will receive the SSA 1042S form by mail. However, you can also request a replacement through ID.me or contact the Federal Benefits Unit if you are outside the U.S. If you do not have internet access, you can call 1-800-772-1213 for 24/7 support. When calling, say 1099 to request this form. These forms will be available starting in February. If the Social Security beneficiary has passed away, the SSA 1099 form will be sent to the last known address on record. Family members can use this form for final tax purposes if needed. Just a reminder, when you receive this form, take a moment to check it carefully. First, make sure your personal information is correct. Your name, Social Security number, and address. You don't want any mistakes that could cause tax issues later. Also, double check the total amount of benefits you received last year. The number on the form should match your records. If something doesn't look right, reach out to Social Security SSA right away to get it fixed. Remember, if you receive SSI benefits, they are not taxable, so they will not appear on this form. Another thing to check, look at the taxes withheld. If you requested federal taxes to be withheld from your Social Security benefits, make sure to verify the amount listed in box 6 on the form. Check to see if the amount matches what was deducted throughout the year. You should also check the Medicare premium deductions. If your Medicare premiums, such as Medicare Part B, were deducted from your benefits, they will be listed on this form. You may be able to use this amount as a medical expense deduction if you itemize your taxes. For anyone who files taxes, this form is an important document for both federal and state tax filing, if your state has Social Security tax. If you lose this form, you can request a replacement by visiting the Social Security website at ssa.gov. Another thing to think about is whether your Social Security benefits are taxable. So here's how the IRS figures that out. They look at something called combined income. To get that number, they take half of your Social Security for the year, your adjusted gross income, and any non-taxable interest. When you add all that up, that's your combined income. If you're filing taxes as single, married filing separately, or head of household, you should look at the single column. If you're single and your combined income is $25,000 or less, you won't owe any taxes on your Social Security benefits. If it's between $25,001 and $34,000, then up to 50% of your benefits may be taxed at the federal level. If your combined income is over $34,000, then up to 85% of your Social Security benefits may be taxable. For married couples filing separately or head of household, it's treated the same as single. For married couples filing jointly, if your combined income is $32,000 or less, you won't owe any taxes on your benefits. If it's between $32,001 and $44,000, then up to 50% of your benefits may be taxable. If your combined income is over $44,000, then up to 85% of your Social Security benefits may be taxable. These taxes apply to federal taxes. If you live in a state that taxes Social Security benefits, you will need to pay state taxes as well. Okay, everyone, this is the time. It's tax season. So if you got Social Security benefits last year, just make sure to check the SSA 1099 form. Double check the information on that form to make sure everything's accurate, so everything goes smoothly if you need to file your taxes. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.